Hello, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss about quadrant geometry. Right. In this session, um, we are discussing the basic concepts of coordinate geometry. First thing, what is coordinate system? A coordinate system is a divide the entire space into four equal parts, namely x-axis and y-axis. So the point of intersection of these two axes is called the origin. This is first quadrant, this is second quadrant, and this is 4, and this is 4. Mostly we have to understand what is first quadrant. Actually, the axis, what we are calling here quadrant axis, are nothing but number lines. So here the x-axis, suppose we are considering here 1, 2, 3 and 4 and so on. So moving right handed side from origin, we have positive quantities, and moving left side from origin are negative quantities like -1, -2 and so on. In the same manner, the upward direction of origin are positive quantities like 1, 2, 3 and so on, and downside from origin are mentioned as -1, -2, -3 and so on. Next thing you have to know, locating a point in the coordinate system. It's very simple. So let us consider y-axis and x-axis, which are both perpendicular to each other. So the angle between the coordinate axis is 90 degrees. Okay. So locating certain point, for example, here we have a point 1 and 1 and 2. So the coincidence of a point this is called 1, 1. So you have to write that as an ordered pair. First you have to mention the x-ordinate and next y-ordinate. Here the x value is 1 and the y value is 1. In the same manner, we can also locate the some other point in the second quadrant system as a minus 1 comma 2. Here the x value is negative. Why? Because moving from origin to left side, we have negative x values. So here the negative x value is minus 1 and the positive y value is 2. So here we are coinciding this point and here it is minus 1. So this point would be minus 1 comma 2, right? In the same manner, we can also look at the point in the third quadrant and the point in the fourth quadrant. So it's clear that any point in the first quadrant would have both x value and y values, both are positive, plus plus. And in the second quadrant, they would be minus comma plus. And in the third quadrant, they are minus comma minus. Why? Because in the third quadrant, y, excuse me, y values are negatives and x values are also negatives. And in the fourth quadrant, x values are positive and y values are negative, right? Next, the most important thing we have to know is distance between the quadrant axis. So distance between the quadrant axis. Excuse me. Mostly in the quadrant system. Yes, now we are discussing about distance. What is the formula for distance between two given points? So let us suppose capital A x1 comma y1, capital B x2 comma y2 are two different points. Then the distance between A comma B written as AB bar. It is given as root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y whole square. So always you have to remember this result. So what is the proof of this statement? Actually, let us consider two different quadrant system, two different points in the quadrant system. Right. So here the point x1, y1. Here it is the point x1 comma y1. This is let us say A, and another point take here, consider here x2 comma y2. So this is what we are calling distance between 2 points. Okay. Actually, um, this is the coincidence of x1 comma y1, and here it is the coincidence of y1 comma x1. Now I will explain you. Actually, okay, now here you can have a right angle triangle ABC. Let's suppose this is C. So what is the measurement of AC? Here the point x1, y1. So that means it is x1. Here the point B is here. So it is x2. Similarly, this is y1 and this is y2. So could you guess this measurement AC? Yes, it is nothing but x2 minus x1. And how much is BC? The difference of these two ordinates, right? So y2 minus, it would be y2 minus y1. So BC is y2 minus y1, and AC is x2 minus x1. So we have, since it is a right angle triangle, AC square equal to hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. So AC square equal to, sorry, here hypotenuse is AB. AB square equal to AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. So AB square is equal to AC means x2 minus x1 whole square plus BC means y2 minus y1 whole square. So from this we can write AB is equal to over root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Hence this is the proof for the formula. Distance between, actually here AB bar means initial point is A and the terminal point is B. We always mention this with mod of AB bar, or simply write AB. AB means distance between 2 points. Okay, now we have idea that how to calculate the distance between 2 points. Now our next result is, let us suppose 3 lines is there, or take one line, suppose A comma B, and C is another point which lies on the same line AB and divides in the ratio m is to n. That means AC by BC is equal to m by n. Now, the point A ordinates are x1, y1, and the point B ordinates are x2, y2. Then, what are the coordinates of C now? So, C is equal to NA plus MB divided by M plus N. Yes, this is a shortcut process. You have to memorize this result. Like N is a number, you have to multiply with A, and M is another number, you have to multiply with quite opposite sides point. After multiplying these quantities together to be added, and entire fraction is entire value Na plus Mb divided with M plus N. This will gives you the location of C. Or in the point form, you can write nx1 plus mx2 divided by m plus n, or ny1 plus my2 divided by m plus n. Right?